Hi guys, Jessica Kubasi here. In today's photo challenge, we're doing a 10-second photo shoot versus a 10-minute photo shoot. All right guys, so for today's photo challenge, I have my friend and fellow photographer Brandon joining me today.
What's up? Excited to be back.
I thought it would be perfect because we're in New York to have Brandon join us for this challenge. So what we're gonna be doing is the first round, we're gonna have only 10 seconds to do a photo shoot.
Okay, I'm already stressed.
And then the second round, you're gonna have 10 minutes.
In the same location?
Same location.
Okay, cool.
So, you know, we all have time constraints sometimes. Maybe sometimes you only get 10 seconds to get the shot.
Truly. I
Sometimes
mean, sometimes you work
minutes.
better under pressure. You never know.
It's gonna be interesting to see how you deal with having a lot of time versus really having no time.
Right.
So what gear are you gonna be using today?
So I have my Nikon Z7 and then I have my 35mm 1.4. I also have some other lenses in my bag, but I feel like I usually just stick with my 35 for portraits, so.
And as far as I go, I'm gonna be using my 5D Mark IV and my 50 1.2 lens. By the way, I just wanna say, this is not my original idea. I saw an artist drawing Spiderman for 10 minutes, then 1 minute, then 10 seconds. So that's what really inspired this video. Again, I did not think of this, so all credit goes to that person. I'm gonna have their link down below so you can check out their video. With that being said, let's get started with the first outfit, location, and the first round, which is 10 seconds.
Yikes, okay.
It's a lot of time. Somewhere, not on planet Earth, but it's good. Okay.
We're here with Madeline, our model today.
Hey guys.
So what do you think about this 10-second versus 10-minute thing happening?
Yeah, I'm
Well,
really
nervous.
excited for this challenge. I think it's really going to test my skills as a model.
Oh, for sure.
Because
Especially the 10 seconds.
is not a lot of time at all, so I'm really going to have to stay in it with you.
Yeah.
Is it possible to get the shot in 10 seconds, or do you need a little bit more time?
Right, I think it's very reliant on like each party here, you know?
Yeah,
so.
if you break at any moment, that's valuable time lost, so
Totally,
no pressure.
Oh my God, it's gonna take me 10 seconds to like get over there.
Well, I would start right now because your time starts now.
Okay, come right here. And then, oh my God, okay. Nice.
You have literally 2 seconds left.
Point out to the camera.
It's over. It's over.
Okay.
That was it.
Okay, first of all, my settings weren't correct. That was kind of a mess. I'm shooting on high continuous too, so I was just like, honestly clicking away. That's the way to do it. I'm trying to maximize my, trying to get the most out of it, you know? I feel like it's not exactly what I would want in terms of like cropping, but like, I think it's in focus.
I'm taking a picture of the leaves, just making sure everything looks good, you know? Exposure's good.
Oh, I didn't get to do that. Are you ready?
Just let's get.
And go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, you're done.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't see any of those.
10 minutes is like that's a while. So we can walk around, take a breather, you know, take a little drink, water.
Go
like
get some iced coffee.
Yeah, we have some time.
Who knows? I might be shooting for 1 minute and then go get myself a sandwich. Are you ready for 10 minutes?
I am.
Okay,
I think.
let's get started. Okay, and your 10 minutes starts now.
Okay. Wow. This is already like.
Soak it in.
Yeah.
Breathe, you know?
All right, let's try this out. This is what I probably wanted to get when I couldn't. Already my settings are just way better. Even 3 minutes like we usually do is like, I feel like we're rushing around, so. Oh yeah, this is great. Take a little step back. Awesome, that's really good. Yeah, that's so good. 30 seconds? Okay. We can finish up with this one. I think we're good. I'm good. I got what I needed, yeah. And your time starts now.
Thank you. How you been, by the way?
I've been good. You sure you don't want to?
We got enough time. We got that.
Okay.
We'll talk later. We'll talk after this. Yeah. Looking here. Oh, I think I got one of the birds in there. Okay.
So Jessica's doing her thing. She has currently 8 minutes left.
This is gonna be the winning shot right here. Nope, the bird was not in the shot. Can you guys do it again? Can you come back? Okay, he left. And like looking out this way while you're doing
You have
that.
5 minutes, Jessica.
Okay, thanks, Brandon. Brandon's, you know that one Christmas, the Christmas cartoon where
Jack
they have like the
Skellington?
spirits with Ebenezer Scrooge and stuff. Not to say that that's No, you know
I
how
don't
like
even
they
know what you're getting
announce
at
like
here.
they show you your like your past, present, and future. Like Brandon's like showing me.
Oh.
Brandon's that nice guy, and the
I'm like, time's running out.
Time's running
Hurry up. Well, now you only got 4 minutes.
Okay, I just wasted a minute talking. Okay. I'm trying to think before I shoot. Just like you think before you speak, even though I don't do that, and I should probably. That's beautiful. That's great. Lift your chin up a little.
You have exactly 1 minute.
Looking here, looking down here.
5, 4,
And bring your other hand, maybe like bring your
2,
other hand out. Yeah.
1. You're done. Whoa.
Okay. We're done.
I feel good about that.
You did so good.
So what did you think of the 10 minutes?
I think I went really well. I went into different locations and
Yeah, I feel like it was nice to have that 10 minutes to actually shoot, because like I feel like when you're in a normal shoot, you're just stopping here and there, but like when you have 10 minutes to do it, it's like a good chunk of time to like get it all done.
definitely you hit up like every spot.
I was just trying to, I just trying working the rounds. The fact that I can't even like show her the images too with the 10 seconds, it's a little tough.
In
She
the
doesn't
10
even know what
minutes,
she's.
you were able to show me a photo,
Yeah.
and then we were able to get on the same page.
Exactly.
And I knew exactly what you wanted
Yeah.
and what I should do.
Yeah.
So.
Totally.
All right, guys, we're gonna get Madeline changed into the second outfit, and then we're gonna do another 10-second round. So let's go. All right, it's a 10-second photo shoot. I'm going first.
Okay.
And I'm ready.
You got your settings. You're all good.
I'm not gonna look at any of these,
Okay,
so
you're
I'm
just
just
gonna go for it?
gonna go in blindly.
And then where are you starting at? Over here?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna start out over here.
Here we
so
go.
I'm gonna have you maybe.
Oh, I
like-
didn't start it.
Oh, okay.
Ready? Go.
Okay, let's have you back.
And you're done.
Okay, yeah,
Oh,
that's all I
wow.
needed. That's it. That was a rush. That was good.
What the heck? Did you
I
even take
actually-
any photos?
Yeah, I took a couple here and there.
I heard like 3 shutter clicks.
I think it took me like.
Wait, what? Those are good.
Thank you. That's it.
What the-
That's all I took.
Those are good. Okay.
That one's really nice.
Okay,
Thank you.
come through.
Thank you. Okay, thank you guys.
Those are fire.
It's fun. Honestly, I have so much fun doing the 10 seconds. It's like you just let it all out in 10 seconds.
Yeah. Oh gosh.
So it's your turn now.
Okay. This is all happening so quickly.
And your time starts now.
Okay, perfect. Awesome. Look up.
And you're done.
I honestly I didn't even see what I shot.
You did a whole like editorial right now. You got her like in there, everything.
I was not even looking, like at one point. Oh, that one's good. Okay, we got something.
We got something. He
We
took the
got
nicest picture I've ever seen. The nicest photo.
Should I set a timer just more often and just like click away?
This place is my playground, so
Of course.
got 10 minutes. 10 minutes of fun.
And your time starts now.
Okay, can I have you on this chair right here?
I gotta keep her up on the time because 10 minutes can slip under you. You never know. So
Okay, let's move to another location before I get stuck here.
Jessica, you have 6 minutes and 30
I didn't
seconds.
even do anything yet. I did one location.
You have 6
Can we
minutes.
start over?
No, you have enough time.
Okay,
You're good.
fine. You're right. I'm just being dramatic for no reason. Making my job easy. think I'm good.
You're good?
She said, you totally saved me. I ran out of ideas and she just sat on the rock and she posed and I'm like, okay. Very helpful.
Oh, really? What's up? Nice to meet you. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Awesome, thank you.
Okay, so 10 minutes starts now.
Okay, so literally same thing we were doing, but I can actually take my time and yeah. Awesome. Sit there. Yeah. Perfect. You can bring them a little out to me like they were. Yeah, that's awesome. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. How much?
7 seconds and 30 seconds.
7 seconds.
7 minutes and 30 seconds.
I was gonna say. Okay. I kind of like this framing here. Maybe you can come like right here. And I'm gonna go on the other side here. Perfect. What's up?
What's up, brother?
Nice to meet you.
Let me meet you. I think I got you right here. Sorry.
What's your name?
Jimmy.
Nice to meet you.
Okay. Hold on.
We're gonna pause this time and add a couple more seconds because Brandon's really popular. Like, you can't help it.
Awesome. So nice meeting you. Have a good day.
Thanks a lot.
Okay. Okay, we're good. Okay. Yes, killed it. Oh my God. I'm a little like, that was a little stressful. I don't know.
Really?
Even there's so much to work with here.
I feel like you really utilized this.
Yeah, I was like, let's keep going.
Brandon went to you photographed this whole garden for free, basically. All right, guys, so that's the end of the challenge. We shot for 10 seconds, then we shot for 10 minutes. One of the reasons why I thought this would be fun is because we have time constraints. We don't have someone sitting there and timing us. Sometimes the model's only available for 10 minutes. Sometimes you're shooting like a runway show.
Or even the light, you know?
Yeah.
Sunset's gone in a second.
If the sun is setting, you only have a certain amount of time. So it's a fun challenge to get used to those time restraints and kind of prepare yourself for if you're shooting a wedding, or again, if the light is leaving and you got to make it work, you only have that certain amount of time. We would love to thank our amazing model, Madeline. We're going to have her links down below if you want to say hello. Thank you so much for...
Thank you guys for having me.
We picked the best model for it. Seriously. We picked the best model for this. And we would love to thank my friend Brandon for joining me yet again.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I love having you in my videos.
I love being in your videos. It's like a hobby.
And then we go eat pizza afterwards.
Exactly.
I would love to thank our amazing videographers, Corey and Cole, for helping us today and videotaping for us. We're going to have their links down below.
They had to shoot in 10 seconds too. So, you know.
Oh my God, hats off to these guys.
They were
did the challenge with us,
they were in it.
right?
We all did. Everyone did the challenge today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let us know what you guys think of the pictures, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
See ya.